Well, everyone, iOS 26.6 has just officially came out, so you might be wondering how it compares against iOS 27. Now, one of the big things to keep in mind here is that within iOS 26.6, this is a more stable of an update than iOS 27. So if you're even thinking about or contemplating on installing iOS 27, I would not recommend doing that, whether you have an iPhone 11 or you have an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Throughout the journey of you installing different software versions, it always makes a lot more sense to stick with the public official released update than the developer betas. They're not going to be as stable. So let alone the iOS 27 features that you're getting, which are few and far between. There's some new ones and everything, but it's not a crazy big thing. If you're still on iOS 27, that is going to be a more buggier type of update. It's going to have more issues, going to have more problems. You're much better off installing something like iOS 27 when it officially comes out. iOS 26.6 right now, as it exists as an update, that is the way I would recommend going through, especially if you have these older iPhones. Those older iPhones are going to be giving you a much better experience, a much significant better type of layout than something like the, I guess the developer beta of what you're getting right now. So for me personally, I think that's the way I'd recommend going down, is to install one of these kind of official updates like iOS 26.6 rather than installing the developer betas. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.